I give up. This is just impossible.
No, it isn't impossible. Just consider a challenge.
Yeah, consider it a scavenger hunt.
A scavenger hunt for a present?
Not just any present, the perfect present.
That's the problem. If it wasn't for anybody but the Joneses, our job would be easy.
Yeah, all the things that they have, anyways, what we give them Christmas past.
How did this crazy Christmas ever get started anyway? I mean, what's the point?
The point is that each year we have this competition to see which family can outgive the other. Well, I think it's got a little bit competitive.
A little bit competitive. Well, that's like saying David and Goliath had a minor disagreement.
Mom, when's dinner? I'm hungry.
Dinner can wait. You won't die of hunger in the next few minutes.
Well then, I'm not hungry. I'm starved. People die of starvation.
You're always starving.
No dinner till we find the perfect present.
That could be weeks from now.
The only satisfaction is knowing that the Joneses implemented this day trying to find the perfect present.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful star of Bethlehem, shine